everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy on Etsy. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy on Etsy, firstly open your Etsy application. The home page of Etsy will appear on the screen. On the top left side of the screen, tap on Shop Now or choose any product you want to buy on Etsy. On the next page, click on the product you like. Scroll all the way down and select the size of the product. Choose what kind of shape you prefer with customization details and then click on Buy It Now. Enter your delivery address including country, full name, street address, city, postal code and then tap on Continue to Payment. Enter the name in your card with card number, its expiration date as well as security code and click on Review Your Order. You can either pay with PayPal or Google Pay. Make sure that you tick mark on the box to confirm that your billing address is same as your delivery address. This is how you can buy on your Etsy application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.